Hello, hello. Looks like today is a fishy day. There are many sails on the beach. That means that fishermen are back from fishing and there are some fishes. Many fish? Huh? Ah, how much? Okay. But our plan is not to go fishing, of course. The waves looks a little bit better than yesterday, and we go diving Bunotan, and I will think what another one. Probably we will do pyramids, just a little bit deeper part. We have a new bridge in a village.
Yeah, I know. I saw a post in the Facebook this morning.
You wanna make a wish?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so then I already wish in the morning. Did you make a wish? That's a new bridge. Did you make a wish?
Always when you find a new bridge.
I passed it 3 or 4
Go
times
back.
already.
Go back.
On the way back.
Done?
Yes.
Cool. 2 dives done. I'm super hungry. Time to go home and eat something. It haven't been on my vlog. I think it never been on my vlog. I mean, Gemoluk wall. I was really happy to see that there is a lot of these small fun corals, yellow color, growing now. A lot of fish, a lot of mackerel there, because it's really uncomfortable. No one can really catch them with the nets, just because simply it would be just wasting of nets, because they can stuck on everything, and it's also wall there. So that's why no one is catching any fish there with the nets, and that's why fish is also not really stupid. They're going there, and you can see it from the video. Thousands of mackerels and other stuff and other fishes. Corals healthy in that particular place. I remember when they started building all this beach club or whatever they call that's Chinese Indonesian project, which fucked up all the sunset point. So then in that moment when they started building, I think because they've been crashing these big stones with the technique, and that's why there is a lot of, every time when there is a storm, there is a lot of murky water or a lot of sand going in the water, or limestone, I don't know what is it. So that was like in some point when we swam towards Bunutan beach, then it was like a cloud of dust above us, but it actually gave us some specific feeling. It was like more like a sunset dive immediately, because the light, it doesn't go through this cloud of dust. I was happy, really happy. As always, Bunutan never disappointing. You've seen it already in my videos so many times, but I never get tired to post it again, because every single time it's a little bit different. It's like a good content for our website, because I have a plan to put on a website like 15 seconds from every single dive, so that everybody who's considering to dive with us and thinking about which dive sites to choose, and then you will have some impressions about the particular dive site. So that's the whole idea. All right, I'm pretty sure today nothing really else will happen. I will go home and I will edit video now, so I have a kind of half day off. I need to rest a little bit from all this editing stuff. Yesterday I was editing 4 hours, day before 4 hours, because every time when I have these underwater videos it takes so long, and I'm finishing editing every single day like midnight, or even after midnight. I need a little bit of rest, so that's why I will stop episode on this moment. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Tomorrow we dive again. Bye.